options that we have. Numerous alternative therapies other than the three main treatments are available throughout the world, and they have been achieving surprising success. Hospital Santa Monica and Oasis of Hope Hospital in Mexico have achieved surprising success in the 5-year survival rate of patients with terminal cancer, for which numerous doctors have visited the hospitals from all over the world. What's more, they have achieved even more surprising results among early to middle stage cancer patients. Cancer cells have two main characteristics. One is that they have low tolerance to heat. Numerous experiments have shown that cancer cells stop synthesizing DNA at 39 degrees Celsius, and they die at 42 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, there are research results indicating that a 1-degree drop in body temperature causes a 37% weakening of immune functions, raising the rate of cancer by 5 times. The other characteristic is that cancer cells have extremely low tolerance to oxygen. According to Dr. Otto Warburg, who was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine, 100% of cells become cancerous when the amount of oxygen in them is reduced by 35%. It has already been proven that sending oxygen directly into cancer cells is a surefire way of destroying them. Alternative therapies are treatments that take advantage of these characteristics to destroy cancer cells while leaving normal cells unharmed. A variety of treatments have so far been proposed as alternative therapies. So let's take a look at the treatments that are highly safe and being used most often throughout the world. There are great expectations for high-dose vitamin C therapy to become a world standard in the treatment of cancer. This method was developed by 2-time Nobel laureate Dr. Pauling. The method is characterized by its ability to not only destroy cancer cells, but also boost immunity. This high-dose vitamin C therapy has achieved surprising results in all of the numerous clinical trials carried out, and it is currently undergoing a clinical study in the U.S. to acquire certification as an anti-cancer drug with 0 side effects. General anti-cancer drugs only work on dividing cancer cells, and it is difficult to destroy them completely. The drugs also destroy normal cells, and in particular immune cells, inflicting catastrophic damage to natural healing powers. By comparison, high-dose vitamin C therapy destroys cancer cells, while having no negative effects on normal cells. So far, no reports have been received from medical institutions throughout the world on damage to health from the high-dose vitamin C therapy, making it the mainstream of highly safe next-generation cancer therapies.
The production of Beleza products. 1. The objective is to prevent the oxidation of cells and achieve an antioxidative effect by blending concentrated vitamin C with other vitamins and 12 minerals. 2. Products are made with the aim of rejuvenating cells that are on the decline due to oxidation by blending adequate quantities of RNA, a nutrient required for cell regeneration. These graphs show the antioxidative value of Beleza and Heart7 products. They were developed by Dr. Morishige, a doctor of medical science who was a colleague of Dr. Pauling mentioned earlier, and an employee at Linus Pauling Institute. The reason why it has not been registered as a drug is because the company chose to contribute to the health of the general public by having it treated as food. The doctor wanted to promote extensive and general sales to cut healthcare costs, leading to the establishment of Beleza Japan Incorporated. Everything from iron to fruit, vegetables, fish, meat, water, and wood oxidizes. Crops, too, cannot be grown in soil that has turned acidic, so lime is sprinkled to neutralize it before crops are planted. The cells of internal organs in animals and people turn acidic too, becoming unhealthy and causing illnesses. This is a photo of an experiment in which hydrogen peroxide, a source of active oxygen generated by respiration, was poured onto pig liver. You can see how the liver cells have changed color. The pig liver on the right that has had Heart-7 solution with an antioxidative value of 96,000 SOD per gram poured on it has remained unchanged in color. 90% of illnesses are the result of oxidation, which weakens organs leading to illnesses, so it is necessary to consume antioxidative food to prevent this. It is for this reason that Beleza and Heart-7 were developed through genetic nutritional science by carrying out research into the life and death of cells. Compared to Adzuki beans with 1,800 SOD per gram, a food with the greatest antioxidative power, Beleza is 30 times more powerful with 55,000 SOD per gram, while Heart-7 is 53 times stronger with 96,000 SOD per gram. Antioxidative foods. Heart-7, 96,000 SOD per gram, contains high-dose vitamin C plus DNA, RNA nutrients, softens blood vessels and promotes circulation, replenishes growth hormone. Beleza, 55,000 SOD per gram, contains high-dose vitamin C plus DNA, RNA nutrients, softens blood vessels and promotes circulation. What is SOD? Superoxide dismutase. It stands for superoxide dismutase, and it is an enzyme which removes active oxygen. Active oxygen generated by respiration and stress weakens the body, but the human body has a natural system for controlling the generation of active oxygen. This function quickly deteriorates past the age of 40. It is necessary to proactively consume foods that prevent oxidation and antioxidative foods past this age. The cells of internal organs have lifespans. The recommended quantities of nutrients necessary for the regeneration of these cells have also been set by the government. These products have been made by blending the various nutrients in accordance with the government recommendations. As it was explained in the first video, several thousand cancer cells are created due to stress every day by active oxygen, which in turn is generated by a part of the oxygen absorbed through respiration. The cells develop into cancer inside the weakened body with weakened immunity. With a healthy immune system, the initial stages of cancer are prevented from growing. SOD foods are necessary to protect the healthy body from toxic oxygen and active oxygen. These products also remove cholesterol ingested with food, so it is recommended that users take 1 to 2 tablets with water immediately after meals. They are foods, not drugs, so the quantities consumed can be adjusted according to physical conditions. They work on all illnesses, preventing oxidation and providing nutrition to the regeneration of cells for healthier bodies.